have a DIY video I would like to show you. That is how to make your own base shape. You can see I have the one that I purchased from the eBay, and this is for the Louis Vuitton, never for size MM, and this one is for the GM. The reason I don't use this because I was worried about, as you guys know, if you have the recently years canvas, it's very soft and thin. It's not like a vintage one. It's very thick and very durable. So I rather to have this make by myself. It's a very simple way. I will show you in a few minutes. It just make you I feel that the base shape will be soft. It's not gonna hurt you canvas bag. So here I have the Louis Vuitton GM Never For canvas, and I'm gonna stand up. And this is the base shape that I purchased from the eBay. So it will put it like this. So you can see this will make a bag more structure as it is, but I am do worry about the long term. The four corner is gonna be poked hole or anything. Once the camera is damaged, you cannot do anything. So I rather not using this one. I just make myself. You know, it's much safe and easy. And I have here, I made it, it's kind of dirty anyway, but it doesn't matter. I just want to show you. So I made this one myself for the GM. So I've been using for many years already, and this can use many years. So I just put it there, and you can see it just like that. It's just keep a little bit of structure. That's what the purpose of the base shape. So I have here, this is for the never for MM, so I make this. So today I'm gonna make a base shape for the Louis Vuitton Graceful PM. So what you need is just get the FedEx envelope. The reason is this is kind of like a thick than the paper, but it's not very thick like a cardboard paper. So it's kind of like soft, pretty much very safe. So I have the Louis Vuitton PM, Graceful PM, and about the size. So right now I'm using the Never For MM size, which is kind of big. So today I'm gonna make one just for the Graceful PM. So you will see it's very simple. Maybe you just spend like 5 minutes to do it. The size, definitely I will use the this one as a bag organizer size, so I know how deep it is, how wide it is, so I have some kind of idea. You don't need to have a precisely, you know, exactly match. You can make a little bit smaller, so it will fit perfect. Because if you make too wide or too long, you have to bend it, so it's not really comfortable. The purpose is just make bag more structure. So as long as you have a little bit of base shape, it works well. So I normally will use a 2 envelope from FedEx, and I just cut it very quickly to show you. And as you can see, when I put it here, the size almost the same. See, almost the same. So I only need to cut a little bit. Now I rather to have a shorter than the longer. In that case, I don't need to bend it over. I don't like you know, to bend it. It doesn't fit well. So I rather to cut a little bit more. Or I can use this one. You can see I use this is the Never For MM. Just cut it like that. I can use 1 envelope is enough. You can just fold it. Now it depends what bag you can. Once you have this concept, like idea, I show you here, so you can make every bag base shape by yourself.
Does that charge, Mama?
Yes. So like that, I fold it. So use the 1 envelope instead of 2, because I don't need to have a very hard base shape. But of course, if you want a really solid, then you can use more. You can use 2 or 3, it doesn't matter. So what you need is you need to have the paper protector. The reason I tell you why you need this one, because the color transfer. Just in case you have a very light color interior, for the long term it's rubbing those color. So I don't want you back get the color transfer from the base shape. So better to have a bag paper protected. It protect the color, and also so you almost need is a Scotch tape. To tape it, and you need another one. Just make sure it doesn't come out. You just use the other way, to protect it. So this can be used any bags. Sometimes I use a Chanel classic flaps. I just want to make sure they have the good structure, so they don't lose the structure. So I always will use this. So then pretty much it's like this. So you can use right now. So I needed to take out this. This is the MM size. Now I have a simple one. Perfect. See? That's it. That's all you needed to do. And you wanted to make it precisely, you can make a corner round. You can cut the corner like round it, and it will fit even better. So you become this, and it fits so well. You can see it just fit well. In this video, just very quick to show you how I did this one. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.